gonna make a heart-healthy snack: vanilla Greek yogurt, cashews, peanut butter, and chocolate chips. So I took my chocolate chips and I melted them about 45 seconds in the microwave. I'm kind of snacky. 2 heaping tablespoons of Greek yogurt. High in protein, low in sugar. Peanut butter, again, to taste. I love peanut butter. Top it with your chocolate. And I use cashews, but you can use any nut. And just because I like a little bit of crunch, I'm gonna top that on there. I'm gonna take my mixture, put it in the fridge, leave it to set for about 20 minutes. A high protein, sweet, salty, and crunchy snack that's great any time of the day.